bed.
Why did I just get socks?
I don't know.
That's weird.
Joey, what'd you get? Very funny.
John Patrick, what'd you get?
What a terrible present, Mommy.
I thought it was great. I might actually use this.
What else is in there?
What did Andy get?
Cool. Clothes. Bottom with papers.
What? That would look lovely in your hair, John.
Let me see his outfit.
What? It's girls? It's girls.
This is not a girl.
Well, these are girls. I'm not taking this present home with me. Yeah, I'm not going to wear these clothes.
It's a prank, is it? Yes.
Wow, these are the
We got you. We got you guys.
Hey, hold on, look at what?
Jimmy Kimmel told us to do it.
Yeah.
Mommy, I did that to you.
You think we should send us a fee?
Jimmy Kimmel on TV, he told us to do it.
Then let's go to Jimmy Kimmel.
What do you think of Jimmy Kimmel's idea?
I say it's kind of funny when your kid can take a joke.
What a lovely present.
Aren't you supposed to say thank you?
Thank you.
Are you going to use your toilet paper, Joey?
Joey, don't you have to go to the bathroom?
John Patrick was very polite. He said he would use his eye wax. He got eyebrow wax. Logan, are you going to wear your socks?
No. These are girls. Why did people get girl stuff in socks? Let's go back to the toilet.
Logan, what do you think?